In this Annapolis Sailing School KeelBoat Club video, you will see several strategies to start a race.
We'll first focus on boats using a reach-in, reach-out strategy, coming from the right side of the screen, enjoying their starboard rights as they approach the line pretty close to the whistle to have decent speed.
In this loop of the video, you will see two boats using a port tack approach. Both are coming from the left side of the screen on a port tack. Neither have right of way over the starboard tacking boats. One will need to thread the needle through a pack of starboard boats. The other will tack to leeward of the pack. Both are then on starboard, approaching the start line.
Finally, a couple of boats recognized that a port tack of the fleet was possible because the wind had shifted. The first boat cuts across, tacks over, gains speed to cross right at the whistle, and is easily able to cross all of the boats. A second port tacker isn't able, identifying the riskiness of this move by having to tack back very quickly and losing speed to head up on starboard.